Hi everyone, Simon Keeling here at weatherweb.net. Thanks again for watching. It's Monday the 6th of May, and just a reminder that the site's kept free of charge by the adverts that you see around the screen here, and by you coming back and using the site, that's what keeps us free of charge, so thanks for doing that. Now, a beautiful day for many parts of the country today. We've got some high cloud around. This is the shot from Mid Wales, from the Space Guard Centre in Mid Wales, just the blue skies there. But not everywhere enjoying the sunshine. Got some rain up in Scotland. This is from the Glenforsa Hotel, looking out over Glenforsa, and you can see that we've got some pretty low nimbostratus cloud just showing in here, producing some outbreaks of rain and drizzle. Now, it's a briefer video for you today because just considering the idea of this trough developing during the middle to the end of the month. GFS Ensemble is seeing temperatures drop off over the next few days. It's the story that you'll be aware of, that looks like we're seeing a breakdown in conditions on Wednesday with low pressure swinging through, taking some pretty hefty bursts of rain with it. Probably unsettled through Thursday as well, breezy with some further spells of rain, and then we settle into a westerly flow towards the end of the week and into the weekend. Now you can see that on here because this is the precipitation coming through during Wednesday and Thursday. Notice the temperatures falling off too, but then they tend to stabilise out as we go through the weekend and into next week. Interesting that the charts are starting to pick up from the models on the idea of this trough developing through Europe. This is the chart from the ensemble, from the ECMWF ensemble, for Wednesday the 15th of May. Notice the ridge out towards the west. We've got the trough out here, area of low pressure centred across the British Isles, and a centre of low heights here across northern parts of Scotland. This would all point towards these cooler, more unsettled conditions around the middle part of the month. And just comparing two models, we've got the ECMWF on the left here, we've got the GFS on the right. This is the 7 to 10 day mean of the 500 millibar flow, which goes from next Monday through to Thursday the 16th. And what's interesting here is, look, the ECMWF has the ridge out towards the west there. Then we've got this trough across the UK with a ridge across eastern parts of Europe. And if you look at the GFS, there's the ridge, there's the trough, not quite so strong, and it doesn't see the ridge across Europe. But what's interesting is both of them have this trough marked on, so we can build confidence that this is where things may well be going. It's the positioning of the trough that's critical, and just looking at what's happened in previous years, this is the analogue, the day 11 analogue, so this is valid for 11 days time, which is going to take us through to where are we today? Yeah, it's going to take us through to the 16th of May, and what it's showing is the trough across Eastern Europe, the ridge here in the Western Atlantic, and it's hinting at 1991, 1962, 1970 as our top three comparison years. Now, I've just taken a quick look at what happened during those years, during the 14 days following this period, so this would be for the end of the month, and all of them had troughs across this central part of Europe with a ridge built through the British Isles. So although we may go into a cooler, more unsettled period for a time mid-month, it may last only for 5 to 7 days before the ridge manages to get in again from the Atlantic, with things turning more unsettled across the central and eastern parts of Europe. So it's quite interesting to see this and to compare it with previous years. So as I say, just a quick one for today. Hopefully that's quite interesting for you though. Thanks again for watching weatherweb.net. A reminder that we are kept free of charge by the adverts you see around the screen and by you coming back and using the site. So once again, thanks for watching and keep the sun shining. Bye for now.